Hey guys, Nicole here. Welcome back, should I say, because it has been a while. So I know I haven't posted a video in a while. I missed Thanksgiving, I missed Christmas and New Year, so I hope you all had a great holiday or holidays and a happy New Year. Welcome to 2021. So I have been gone for quite some time. I'm about to wrap my hair. I am finally alone and have a minute to myself, so I thought, why not come on and update y'all, tell you all happy new year while I do my hair real quick. So let me grab a chair and I will start wrapping my hair and update you all. So like I said, it has been quite some time, and for those who don't know, I am a foster parent. I have been fostering since July of 2020, so for about 6 going into 7 months now. And I started with one placement, like a single child, and I had her with me for about 5.5 months, and this was around right before Thanksgiving, and I actually got a new placement. And so with that new placement came a lot of my free time taken. And the second placement I took in right before Thanksgiving is younger, and she needed a lot of my attention, and she's very, very active. We had a lot of appointments and doctor's visits and everything to do right when she got here. We had to get her enrolled for school. And so there was just a lot with that, and I was not having time for myself or to do any videos and hair updates. And actually, after about 3 weeks of her being here, I realized that I had not done my hair, like actually done a wash and go or taken care of my hair in 3 weeks. And so I combed it out, and I had not combed my hair out in 3 weeks. Please don't ever do that. And I noticed that I was like, God, this is a lot of hair. And so I saved it to do inventory to see, you know, what was going on. But this new little placement has been with me now for about 6 weeks, maybe a little bit more. And it takes that long to really break a child in, like get them into the routine of things. She had never been to school, you know, she was not used to rules, and there was a lot of tears and tantrums, and it literally consumed me. And then when I wasn't dealing with her, I was dealing with my other placement because I didn't want her to feel neglected. And in return, I neglected myself. So I was really just devoting all my time to them and not taking care of myself. My health was not the best. I had lost a lot of weight. And on top of that, my hair felt like it was falling out. I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is very thin. It doesn't look at it because it has like a blown out look right now. But I was like, okay, I need to have some me time. And my me time is really taking care of myself, but also making videos. Like, that's what I enjoy doing. So I am back, but we had a very long, I would say 2 months, 6 weeks to 2 months, but we are good now. We are in a routine. One little went out with my mom to go shopping. The other is on a visit. We have started transitioning her back home, so that is good. So that is my foster update, my life update. I am also in the process of moving. I will be moving out probably within the next 2 to 3 months, and I say that because I don't want to rush out. There's things you have to do with your license for fostering and stuff, and getting the next place ready. But I have been in the process of trying to move out and get things ready for that. So it's just been a lot of shopping and things like that. But I am here. I am alive. If anyone's curious, I literally just part my hair down the middle, brush it to the front, brush to the back, and just start going in the direction that I want it to go. And I like to start with the wide tooth comb and then with my paddle brush to smooth it. But this is just like the easiest way I know to wrap my hair and to preserve it. And sometimes I put a little bit of oil. But yeah, so I am moving. I am fostering 2 placements at the moment. And so now that I finally have time and we have a routine down, it's a perfect time for me to get back in the swing of things, especially with the new year. yeah, that is it. I'm alive. I'm going to be working on taking care of my hair now because it is extremely thin. I am using the Nioxin for thinning, lightly thinning. It's not as thin. I've always had a problem with thin hair, but I just feel like it's kind of magnified with the stress that I've been under and with work. So I will show y'all what I'm using. Put this on and an extra cap because sometimes it comes undone, and then that's literally all I do to wrap my hair. Hold on. So this is what I got to use on my hair. I used to have the number 1. It has the scalp and hair treatment. So, and I got the number 3 because I colored my hair and it's color safe. So I have been using this. I use this when I straighten my hair, and I will be probably using this like every 2 weeks, and probably use the scalp and hair treatment every time I wash my hair. And hopefully we can get this thinning under control. I'm also kind of going off of my vitamins slowly but surely, those Mielle vitamins, just to give my body a break, but I need to go off of them slowly so that I don't have any side effects. And I think that is it. That is everything that has been going on with me. Like I said, a lot happened, and I did pick up the camera, so I'll kind of show you what has happened, and then I will see you all in the next video. I probably won't